Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the Python tutorial for beginners series. In this video we're going to talk about the Python numeric types. I know we already talked about them a little bit in the data types video that we made, but I thought it was worth it to just go through a quick video to make sure we go through them well. That being said, if you like these videos or you find them helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe, and that way every time I make a new video you'll get notified so you can keep up with the series as it goes. So let's go ahead and look at integers, right? So I've got PyCharm started up with our Programming Vault project. And so here are the three Python numeric types. The first is an integer, and what that is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals. The next numeric type in Python is a float or a floating point number, and that's a number either positive or negative that contains decimals. And then there's a complex number type in Python, and those are written with a J as the imaginary part. And we'll go over those just a little bit. So I've already typed in all the stuff here, and I've just got the parts that I want to talk about uncommented right now. And when I finish, I'll comment those and go to the next part. So the first part is integers. And integers can look like any of these. So A equals 5, or B equals 134643. Or C equals negative 47659. So see, it's a whole number. Doesn't matter if it's positive or negative, and it does not contain decimals. And here I'm just printing out the type to prove that they are in fact integers. So let's run our project. And you can see that they are integers from that. So now let me go ahead and comment the integer sections out just by placing the pound sign on here. If you watched our previous commenting video, you know that you can make comments in Python by doing that, and then the interpreter will ignore them completely. So now we'll go down to the float section, and I'll go ahead and take the comments out of this section so it'll be active. So there's A, B, and C, and then here are three print statements. So you see on the floating point numbers that it can be something like A equals 2.30, or B equals 4.0, or it could also be C equals negative 67.43. Right, so let's just give that a shot here. And you see we also still have our three print statements, so we can print out the type. So let's run this with the float part uncommented. And it turns up that sure enough they all are members of the floating point class, which is abbreviated as float. So now before we move on, we'll go ahead and comment out the float parts. That's a really valuable thing you can do with comments, guys. You can comment in or out any section of your code you want to run at any given time. So now that those are commented out, we'll go ahead and remove the comments from the complex part. If I can get past that little dot there. So the complex numbers are similar to algebra, right? So you see in A you can have something like A equals 2 plus 7j, or you could have B equals 3j, or C could be negative 4j. And I'll go ahead and run this with the complex number part uncommented so we can demonstrate, yeah, they're all three come up as complex data types. So that's pretty much it. Those are the only three real numeric types that they have in Python. There are some other classes that you can import, and we'll talk about that later, how to import different modules to do different things. But for now, I think I'll go ahead and wrap the video here. I just wanted to make a quick video just to make sure that we had gone through all the numeric types in Python before we continue with the tutorial. So if you liked it, like and subscribe. Feel free to leave me some comments and let me know if you have any suggestions or any questions about anything, and I'll be happy to reply. And until next time, I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.